Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you reset your pin code into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after that select this dotted icon from top left corner. Just simply select that and then choose your profile. Now, after choosing your profile, you will get to see this option of security. Simply select the option of security in here, and after that scroll down to pin code. Just simply select pin code option from this section. Now, after selecting pin code, you will get this option of reset pin code. Simply select reset pin code, and after that, you can enter a new pin code into this upper box and repeat the same confirmation pin code into this second box. Then tap to submit, and it will send a confirmation code into your email and phone number. Then after entering the confirmation code and entering the code that you will get from your authenticator application, your pin code will successfully be reset. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.